lot of chords, I call them grips, chords. If you look at them, they dictate melodies to you. I mean, certain... I mean, a lot of the things you want to play, the jazz lines that are heard and played, are right in the chord. They're right around your fingers, you know. And so that's one thing. Second of all, I don't play the chord and then play scales. It is better to play than to play. If it's what you hear. In other words, it's better to play only the things that you hear. So, I hear that, so I play that, okay? But you can do tricks like it. Yeah, why don't I go 3 frets across? Or why don't I go? Or why don't I go? I mean, don't let the guitar play. You're the one that's supposed to be making the music. So it's better for you to play. Than to go. I mean, it's something that you learned, like a scale or a run or a lick or something. Because if you try that, it never fits anyway. Never fits. You're always off by some fraction of a second, and it's uncomfortable. And so nobody cares how fast you play. You have to communicate what you hear and feel, like a blues singer sings or something, you know. I mean, that's what it is. So it's better to play less notes, but only what you hear. That's why you should be able to hum or sing what you play. If you don't hum or sing what you play, you'll never be able to remember what you played. I have a little test about that, but there's no guitar player here with a guitar that I could test. But, so anyway, but I play substitute changes, passing changes, and but I play lines that I hear. The blues. I mean, I play what I hear.